Steering racks for automobile steering systems are safety components. RTE's testing device checks them 100% for material and processing faults in the production line. This fully automatic testing system checks the workpieces independently and non-destructively within a few seconds. A gripping device transfers the steering rack from a conveyor belt to the testing device. Here, it's first positioned correctly by turning. In the actual acoustic test, the steering rack is tapped by 2 hammers. 2 microphones pick up the sound. It's then evaluated and classified by the SR20AT testing system, and the result displayed. Additional detailed information and statistical data can also be accessed. If a workpiece is found to be not okay, the handling unit will sort the faulty piece into the bad part store.